What's up, guys? Today, oh man, today I'm very excited, but I'm also very sad. I'm sad because I have to give you guys the news. I'm going to buy a drone, and everybody's probably like, well, you have a drone already. We've seen you post drone shots, but the drone crashed. And so I'm kind of salty about it because it's advertising. I've been talking all this mess to everybody about how my drone has 360 obstacle avoidance. It's not going to crash. It flies itself. And then it crashed itself. So the other day we went to the pool. I was flying a drone like normal. You can put it on master shots. It'll take some shots for you. You don't even have to control anything. And all of a sudden I look at the remote and it says connection lost. So you can actually play back the footage. I'll probably put it in the video right now, but pretty much the drone just flew into the trees. So I'm going to get a new one right now. We're actually in the BGC. There's a place right down the street, well, 10 minutes down the street, that is selling it, and we're going to go pick it up. So I'm excited, but at the same time I'm sad. Let's go do it. Squeak, squeak, squeak. I don't think I ever showed them my new shoes.
No, you showed the gray one.
Yeah, we looked around everywhere for these shoes. April wants some coffee, so we stopped at this nice coffee shop downstairs. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Oh, I am gonna get something. I'll take it. Gonna get some horchata.
I ended up getting a Vietnamese coffee for 200 pesos. Just reasonable, no, not really, but it's okay.
Alright, you guys, so April got caught up doing something at the coffee shop, so we are on a mission. The place closes in about 30 minutes, and I just hopped in the Grab and told them it's just gonna be me, so we can run over there real quick, secure the bag, bring it back here, and we can be good to go because we got some trips coming up, and I'm definitely gonna need that drone. So we gotta get it, man. There's no other option. Alright, you guys, we're cutting it close. I think they closed at 11 and it's 10:44. I feel like we're gonna make it on time, but I've learned that at any point in time you can just hit traffic in Manila and be at a standstill for like an hour. Like, we've been looking up how to get from one place to the other, and it'll say if you drive it's 5 kilometers and it'll take 2 hours. And it'll honestly take 2 hours, so hopefully we make it on time. If not, I just took this Grab way far away for no reason, but it is what it is. We'll see. Prepare for the worst, hope for the best. We made it. I just got to figure out how to get upstairs in the next like 5 minutes.
Si Lester, wala siyang
So we made it. I was stressing a little bit. I didn't even pick the camera up because the security guard told me that they were closed. But I was like, no, I just talked to them on the phone. They're still open. They said they'll stay open for me. So he pointed them out. I walked over here and they're still open. They're just having a little trouble, they said. So I got to purchase it online and then I can leave with it. But we should be out of here soon. Bag secured, man. We did it. Altitude Digital, you can see they closing down now, but they were able to actually help me out and secure the order. Well, it was a little sketchy, man, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like they wanted a lot of extra information from me before they would, like, they had it there and I gave them my card, and then they wanted me to give them a bunch of extra information that I kind of felt like really wasn't needed, but whatever. I mean, I'm not up to anything sketchy. I'm just trying to get the drone, so I got it, and now I'm out of here, bag secured. Let's get back to our spot, to our condo in BGC. How you doing, man?
What's up? A shout out?
Yeah, shout out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back to BGC, get back to our condo, and we might go around and get some food. It might be time to celebrate. We got the drone back. Let's get it, man. Alright, you guys, we made it back. I had to get some cash from April so that I could pay the guy that drove me here, the Grab. And I will just say that they are very trusting, because you could not do this in Atlanta. If you pick somebody up and they don't pay already, like, and you drop them off, you will never see them again. So he didn't have change for the money that I had, so I was like, well, can I just get change when we get there? So he still took me all the way here, even though I didn't pay him yet, and then I gave him the money when I got here. So very trusting of him. But let's go ahead and go upstairs real quick so we can drop this drone off. All right, you guys, we made it upstairs. Like I said, the bag is secure. As you can see, I just wanted the drone, because the drone is the only thing that got messed up. But I got this little controller that you put your phone on. The controller that I have has the screen built into it, but it'll just be extra. It'll just sit around. But I'm very happy. I'm very excited. I can't wait to give you guys some more drone content. So in the meantime, man, like this video. Mission was successful, so like the video, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, you guys. Thank you guys so much. Peace.